How do I open the lens?
That's what I said. You got to open the lens. You said you did. Come here.
All right. It's April 4th. We are going to show you some things that make Zach happy. You ready? This is him getting tired by sucking his thumb, but we're going to show you things that make him happy. Number 1, his cup. That's right. This is kind of boring and anticlimactic, so we're now going to bounce him on the ball without the cup. That's his happy squeal.
Throw the cup at Chewy.
There he goes. Here he goes to his favorite ball. Grover, stay. There he goes. Maybe you'll hear him giggle if you're lucky. He's having the best time ever. That's him laughing. Whoa! And now for his last trick. Whoa, now he's on Grover. For his last trick, Zach is going to chase Daddy around the couch. Are you ready? Zach, let's go. Let's go get Daddy. Where'd he go? I hear him. There he goes. Let's see what Zach sees here.
I got you! 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 I got you!
Hi!
Look at this cute butt! Cute butt!
And for his last and final moment, perhaps we'll get him crawling towards us. Here he comes. Come on over. I don't know how to zoom. Here he comes. Wow, he found his toy. I don't know how to zoom in. You say hi, everyone. Whoa. Say bye, everyone. Whoa.